students. Welcome to today's class. Today we will be starting with a new chapter. Yes, we are starting with chapter 5, Minerals. Now before starting this chapter, let me ask you a question. What are the 3 layers of the earth? They are crust, mantle and the core. Now this crustal part is comprised of rocks. What are rocks? Rocks are hard substances which are basically composed of minerals. Alright. So we need to understand then what is a mineral. Let us come to study the definition of mineral. Minerals are naturally occurring useful substances with definite physical properties and chemical composition. Now, we have few examples of the minerals like iron, silica, quartz, feldspar and mica. Right? So, what we can say that rocks are the aggregate or sum total of minerals. Alright. Now, minerals possesses certain characteristics. Let us study the characteristics. The first characteristic. Minerals are solid and inorganic. Secondly, it has many uses. What are the uses? It is used in electrical, engineering industries. It is used as a fuel in transport and it is also used for making buildings and for construction. Minerals are non-renewable. Hence, it is required to preserve the minerals. Alright. So, next we come to the types of minerals. Now, minerals are classified under 3 heads based on certain property. So, the first type is a metallic mineral, the second one is a non-metallic mineral and the third one is a mineral or fossil fuel. Alright, so come, let us study what do we mean by a metallic mineral and what are the other categories of minerals under the metallic mineral. So, metallic minerals are those minerals which contain metals in them. Alright. So, first we study about the ferrous minerals. Now, they contain iron and they are heavier in weight and they tend to rust easily. Example, what we can give is of iron ore and manganese. The second category of metallic mineral is non-ferrous mineral. These minerals do not have iron content and they do not have magnetic properties also. Example, copper and bauxite. The third category under metallic mineral is they are rare and mostly ductile with high luster. They are very precious. They have high economic value. Example, we can give about gold and silver. Next we come to the second type of minerals. So they are basically the non-metallic minerals. Alright. So what are non-metallic minerals? These minerals do not contain metals in them. For example, mica, gypsum, chalk. Next we come to mineral and the fossil fuels. So coal, petroleum, natural gas, you all know that they are the fossil fuels. Alright, and they have a huge role to play in the economic development of the country. In the next part, we are going to study the basic differences between metallic minerals and non-metallic minerals. So we know the basic difference that metallic minerals, they contain metals in them and the non-metallic minerals do not contain metals in them. So the first point of difference states that the metallic minerals contain metals, so they have a luster or a shine. Whereas a non-metallic mineral, they have a dull appearance. They do not have a luster or a shine of their own. Second point of difference states that They are usually ductile. That means you can transform them into wires, and they are malleable. Malleable means you can transform them into sheets, and they do not break easily. Whereas the non-metallic minerals, they are neither malleable nor they are ductile, and they are very brittle in nature. That means they can break easily. Metallic minerals are good conductors of electricity. As a result, they are used by the electrical industries, other industries that produce electrical goods. The non-metallic minerals are the poor conductors of heat and electricity. Alright, so for that reason, what we need to study is the basic difference between the metallic and the non-metallic minerals. Alright, hence from the today's chapter, we can just sum up that we have studied about the meaning of the minerals. We have come to know about the examples of the minerals. We got an idea about the characteristics of minerals and the different types of minerals. Alright, so with this we end this part of study today. This video will be accompanied with the worksheet which you need to solve and be prepared in the next class. Thank you.